Thanks, Bruce. Old Man Winter got us again, folks. Over 1.2 billion gallons of snow have plummeted the grounds here at OkEmo Mountain in Vermont. People have been stricken with sadness and outbursts of unexpected emotion. The real question is, how long can this doom and gloom go on? Let's ask one of the local Vermont natives what they think about the recent snowstorm. Excuse me, sir.
Nah.
Well, folks, it looks like there won't be any techno music playing here tonight. Reporting live from OkEmo Mountain, John Russo from Ron Jusso News.
Nah. Nah.